Hi, I'm Glennis, and we're back with another tips and tricks. So today we'll be talking about the inkjet that's printed on the back of all Acrovyn materials. So whether it's your sheet material, a crash rail, an Acrovyn corner guard, each piece of Acrovyn material will have an inkjet printed on the back. So it's very important that you reference this because it does house a lot of important information such as the model, the color number, and it's even got our CS website listed on the back as well. So when you install sheet specifically, it's very important to reference that inkjet because Acrovyn itself has an inherent grain direction. So you want to make sure that the sheets are installed with the same top and bottom orientation for all sheets. So what I mean by that is if you reference our inkjet, we'll see that there's an arrow pointing this way horizontally on the inkjet itself. So we want to make sure that all sheets being installed, whether side by side, horizontally, vertically, they're all running with that arrow running in that same horizontal direction. So another piece of information that we can glean from the inkjet is, like I said, the color number and the model number. So if we are a couple years down the road replacing a cover or end caps for our corner guard that's already installed, but we're not sure what the model or the color is, you'll just have to take the cover off of the retainer very carefully, take a picture of that inkjet, and send it to your representative. We'll be able to give you the model, the color number, and any other important information you'll need to possibly process a replacement order. And that's it for another tips and tricks.